Hi, this is Jonathan from Clever Tiny Homes. I'm at the factory that makes the fake wood material that is on the side of our homes, as well as a lot of the decking material that we use. What's really cool about this material is it's made from 90% recycled materials, 30% plastic, 60% recycled wood fibers. It lasts decades, so it's much, much better than wood, but it looks really, really good. And if you can see here on this line, basically we have an extruder. Take the plastic material, mix it up into these pallets, like I'm holding in my hand here. Pallets get mixed from those recycled materials, as well as some colors and stuff like that. They get put through this extruder and extruded out and textured and made to look like really beautiful and natural wood. But it lasts much longer than wood. It's much more environmentally friendly than wood because it's made mostly from recycled materials, and we just love using these materials on our home.